Nubart, the audio guide your visitors keep. With Nubart, your visitors can easily use their own mobile phone as an audio guide. No need to download an app. All your visitor needs is a card like this, with a QR or a numerical code that will allow her to access the contents. You don't have to worry about anything anymore. You don't have to pick up devices, clean them, or charge batteries. Free yourself from bulky devices. How exactly does it work? Your visitor receives a card at the entrance. He scans the QR or enters a numerical code on a website. Then he chooses a language. And that's it. With just one click, he can play the audio guide tracks. Videos or other digital content, such as maps or PDFs, can also be incorporated. The visitor is then asked for feedback. You will receive a large amount of relevant data that will allow you to improve your offer. Your visitor simply takes the audio guide home. He can listen to it again whenever he wants. The best for you? With Nubart, you will offer your visitors an innovative experience at a low cost. The cards are non-transferable, so they have commercial value. Request a sample card and try it yourself. Nubart, the audio guide your visitors keep.